Based on the problem, from an airplane at an altitude of 1,200 meters, the angle of depression to a rock on the ground measures 28 degrees. What is the horizontal distance from the plane to the rock? Okay, based sa problem, meron tayong object and observer. Ang observer ay nandito sa airplane at ang object, of course, ito yung stone. At meron din tayong mga measures na binigay sa problem. May tinatawag na altitude. So this one is altitude. And according to the problem, ang altitude daw ay 1,200 meters. So kung ito ay 1,200, of course, this is also 1,200. Meters. Then aside from that, meron ding binigay na given na 28 degrees. Since ang sabi dun sa problem, ito ay angle depression and obvious naman, nandito ang ating observer. So therefore, dito tayo maglalagay ng angle. And that is 28 degrees. Then ang tanong, ano daw ang distance or horizontal distance from the plane to the stone? Since we are talking about horizontal, so ito ang ating hinahanap na measure. At para ma-solve natin ito, identify muna natin kung ano yung functions or trigonometric functions na akma sa problem na ito para ma-solve natin ang value ng x. But before that, i-identify muna natin lahat ng given na nandito sa figure. So, nandito ang ating theta. So, ibig sabihin, yung nakaharap sa kanyang side ay tinatawag na opposite. At itong x naman, tinatawag na adjacent. Okay? So, the given na meron tayo ay opposite and adjacent. From the word or from the acronym SO, Ka, TOWA, ano ang appropriate na ating gagamiting function para ma-solve ang value ng x? Yes, ito ay ang TOWA because we have opposite and adjacent. So therefore, ang ating gagamitin ay tangent. So gagamit tayo ng tangent. So we have tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent. Ang ating theta ay 28 degrees. So therefore we have tangent 28 degrees equals ang opposite natin ay 1,200 over yung adjacent natin ay x. And then, kung gagamit tayo ng ordinary calculator, ang approximation ng tangent 28 ay 0.53. That is equal to 1,200 over x. Then by cross multiplication, we will multiply 0.53 by x. Then sa kabila ay 1,200 times 1 or 1,200 na lang. And then, to find x, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 0.53. Cancel this one. So your x is approximately 2,264 meters. So, ibig sabihin, ang horizontal distance from airplane doon sa stone ay 2,264 meters. That's it.